Oh my God. So I've got a funny to tell you. So I use TikTok as an oracle device a lot of the time. A lot of times, like when I need clarity on something and I got to do it fast and there's nobody really around me. And like, so I will say to the universe, or I will say to my spirit team, I will say, okay, I'm going to TikTok. Show me the video or guide me to the video that gives me an answer or clarity on what I'm dealing with right now. And 9 times out of 10, that's a pretty effective tool. Anyway, so this morning when I was using that, like the first video out of the gate, like I didn't even ask. It was like the universe clobbering me with this message, was that video about the pipes getting cleaned out. Now, mind you, I don't follow excavation videos. I don't follow construction stuff. So the fact that that was the first video out of the gate this morning was pretty funny. So I'm standing there watching these pipes get cleaned and I'm like, what? Because I'm not quite awake. And I'm like, what? What's going on here? And then it hits me. It's like, oh my God. Think about it, people. Think about it. We just did that big, huge ass eclipse. Then we moved from that into this massive, we did the massive Jupiter-Uranus conjunct. This still is like, that's still hanging out there in the air. We've got Mercury retrograde trotting through like Eris and Chiron and yeah, that's my dog, and like dancing with all these planets. And then last night we did that freaking Scorpio full moon thing. Like it's just been like one after another, right? And I woke up this morning like kind of reeling from the whole thing because I'm highly sensitive. I feel this stuff. I know it's all good, but it hasn't exactly been pleasant. I know there's a lot of other sensitives out there, and I'm in the money business world, and so this definitely affects money business. And so I woke up this morning just kind of like reeling a little bit, like literally like going, what the fuck, man? And I think Spirit World was pretty clear in showing me this video, and I watched it, and then I just started laughing because what we have gone through, people, has been massive pipe cleaning stuff. Like your soul at root levels, getting roto-rooted, getting all the shit out, getting all the mud, getting all the gunk, getting all that stuff that's been clogged up in us forever, clogged up in you forever. The astrology, the energies of the astrology has had the power to clear out our pipes physically, like what's showing up in that pipe clearing video. So I just had to, God, I had to chuckle. And then you watch the video through enough times, you begin to get this sensation of like a spiritual enema having happened. And with those pipes being cleared, like, can you imagine now as we move into May with those pipes being cleared, like how much openings we now have for things to flow, for us to receive, for good stuff to come together. And as far as I know, like what the astrologists have been telling us about May, like May is a bang up month for like, it's another powerful month, but like really good things can be showing up on the horizon for us. So we need to be in a place to receive. Well, guess what? I think we got it. I think we got our esoteric pipe cleaning, our energetic, emotional pipe cleaning of centuries and centuries getting cleared out of us, and now we're gonna begin to have some good stuff show up. And I had to laugh at the very graphic pictorial of pipe cleaning, if you know what I mean. So, all right, mwah.